I'm Cousin Eddie, and I'm down here at Keystone RV Center today. And I brought in my 97 diesel, and they told me that thing would only tow 9,000 pounds. I want to buy this big old fifth wheel in the back. It's 16,000 pounds. And they told me no. Can you believe that? I said I want to tow it. They said absolutely not. We don't feel comfortable with it. And I said, well, I don't feel, I feel fine with it. I don't care what you feel. I want to tow that fifth wheel. I want to buy it from you. I want to give them $90,000 for that fifth wheel. And they told me no. Can you believe that? Back with Junior from Keystone RV Center off I-81, exit 1. No means no. That's what Cousin Eddie didn't like. We have it happen very often. I had it happen just recently. And that is a fairly true statement. And we had one here too, a 97 diesel. But the tow rating was only 9,000 pounds. The customer came in, did not like that we told him no, because his truck is only rated to pull 9,000 pounds. That being said, it's so important to us. Not only do we have it on our desktop computers to find the tow ratings, not only do we have it on our cell phones to find it, but our boss insists, as much as I'll say negative about Eric and his big gap teeth, we have to have a physical book in our office at all times. So if the internet goes down, the power goes down, everything's out, we still have a way to safely tell whether a customer can tow something or not. And it was a $90,000 fifth wheel that was weighing in at like a little over 16,000 pounds, and he wanted to buy that. And we wouldn't. He called us back about a day or two later and said, I found another dealer that'll sell it to me. What do you think about that? What do I think about that? I think that dealer is irresponsible. Anybody willing to put a price tag on the safety of the family that's going to be in that vehicle and say, well, it's a $90,000 unit, I want to move it. Shame on you. You're the reason that salesmen have a bad name. You really are. I care more about that customer in that truck than you do, and I'll flat out say that. And our dealership feels the same way. That being said, our rule that we go by is if it's not that family and it's our family, my wife, my kid, my lizard dog, beside you on the highway, do I feel safe with you towing that setup? And the answer is no. We'll sell you something that you can tow safely. What we won't do is compromise our integrity for a sale. That upset Cousin Eddie. I hope it doesn't upset you, and I hope you understand after watching this video that we're doing it because we care about you, not because we care about the sale. Guys, any questions, comment down below. Check out our videos where we go into more detail about unloaded vehicle weight, gross vehicle weight, tow ratings, and things like that. They'll be up shortly after this one. If you're watching this a couple of months from when we originally posted, they're probably already up. Guys, any question, give us a call, 1-800-232-3279. Have a great day.